This is how we install closed cell elastomeric foam pipe insulation with a self-sealing strip on copper tubing and a 90-degree elbow. Use a very sharp knife. Put the insulation around the pipe. Peel the release strips. Secure it neatly, applying pressure to the joint at all points. On 3/4 inch diameter tubing and smaller, it's acceptable to use the roll method to put the insulation around the elbow. Keeping the joint on the center line of the pipe and the 90-degree elbow. This is how we insulate a T with the same material. There are numerous ways to do this. This is just one way. We carve a small notch out of the insulation at the outlet of the T, and that will tear right out, closing that up around the T. Cutting the second part of the T is known as cutting the fish mouth, which again we use a very sharp knife. This can be neatly trimmed with a pair of scissors or a sharp knife. And there you have the T.